Well, believe it or not, over the weekend, Skylar and I made a huge amount of progress on the earth bed. Check it out. Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks, and I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Monday and a good start to a new week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it's hot as usual. It's even hot in the shade, I'm here to tell you. But what I wanted to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. If you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here in the sticks, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I'm going to share with you and y'all today is made a lot of progress on the earth bed over the weekend. Come on over here and I'm going to show you what we done did. All right, a lot of progress on the earth bed. I ended up taping this guy out, and it is 15 by 20. So roughly 300 square feet of growing area. The one thing that I did notice as I was pulling up my raised beds that I had here is the amount of earthworms that are in this soil. And that's a huge plus on my part. Believe it or not, whenever earthworms, for some strange reason, they love crawling around in the grass, and I actually pick them up and carry them over here and put them in the raised beds just to help out with the soil. That is my maybe 16 or 20 foot by 4 raised bed. There's the old landscaping timbers, and them jokers are just rotting out. But I can't complain, because just like the other bed that was here, this thing worked for me a good 10 years. And there's the other raised bed that I tore apart. A little bit of work getting this guy up, because I'm here to tell you, I spiked that landscapes timber. I spiked it, and I have a bunch of spikes. I don't know if you can see it. They're around here somewhere. Oh, there they are. Right here. You got to get these spikes up out of the ground. Don't want anybody to step on them or hurt themselves. But it is looking really good over here. Again, I am fighting the urge to get something planted in here. I've had several subscribers ask me, Dan, what are you going to do as far as amending the soil? It looks mighty dry. Yes, it is. It's mighty dry over here. Haven't had any rain in a long time. And when I say rain, I mean sure enough soaking rain. We get these 5, 10, 15-minute showers. It don't do nothing but just stir the red dirt over here. But as far as a good rain, haven't gotten any. But what I'm thinking about doing is breaking out my drip system again, if we go that route. I don't want to use county water. I love using the rainwater from my harvesting systems. I may just continue doing that. We just have to play that by ear. But what I think I'm not going to do this year or in this earth bed is I'm not going to make any rows. I used to make pull-up rows and plant on hills. I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm probably just going to plant directly into the ground. May dig my hole, add some triple 13 or some fertilizer to the hole, drop whatever it is that I'm going to plant, I'm going to grow in the hole, and just let it go from there. What I'm also going to do, for you and y'all that have wondered, I do intend on amending these beds with some composted organic humus. I like the stuff. It's real cheap, and it adds a lot of valuable nutrients to the soil. Also, I am thinking on getting my composter going again, and also getting my vermicomposter going again. But those are just little small things that I'm working on little by little. But the main thing is the earth bed is there. I just have to do some refinements and really start thinking on what I'm going to plant for the fall. I'm thinking brassicas, but who knows? You never know. So that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. And again, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Monday, and I hope y'all are having a safe one. Y'all sure enough stay hydrated in the heat if it's hot where you at. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. That being said, you know what's coming. Dan Reference sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's important. I know I'm shining with this earth bed over here. Then we'll see you and y'all in the next video.